Warning signs for your roof's gutters. A home's gutter system controls the flow of the rainwater from the roof lines. This protects your home's roof, walls, foundation, and landscape. If debris builds up on them, it could lead to sagging gutters, mold growth, wet basements, a leaky roof, or water damage in the interior or exterior of your home. If gutters aren't properly maintained, or if the storm season was particularly bad, then your gutters could fail. Bad gutters could lead to issues with your roof, foundation, and even the inside of your home. Replace, repair, or simply need to be cleaned out. Gutters can last for quite a while with good care. However, at some point everything will eventually break. So it's a good idea to inspect your gutters. Here are some things to look out for. Cracks or splits. Small cracks tend to grow. Cracks can allow water to seep into the fascia boards behind the gutters, the shingles above, and it can even affect the foundation below. Replace any split or cracked sections of the gutter. Paint damage and rust. Nowadays, most gutters are seamless and can come out of the color of your choosing. If you're looking to just repaint gutters, we recommend a weather-resistant paint. Replace or touch up the paint on the damaged section of the gutter as needed. Pools of water and mold. Standing water or mildew near the foundation is a good indication that the gutters are clogged, or there could be a defect in the gutter system. Remove the clog. If the problem persists, replace the section of gutter and downspout. Water damage or watermarks. Look underneath your gutters on a dry day if possible for any signs of water damage. If you see any watermarks, it means your gutters are leaking or overflowing. Look for possible blockages. If there is none, it could be a section has a crack or a leak, which means it needs to be replaced. Sagging gutters. Gutter sagging is a definite sign. Gutters should never pull away from the house. Sagging means that the gutter is no longer draining properly and it needs to be replaced. If you see any of these signs on your gutters, call your contractor and ask for more information. Or you can call 5 Star Roofing and Home Improvement for a free estimate today, 970-663-3305.